Hey, what's up, everybody? This is your buddy, your pal, Lennon Hawthorne, and this is take 2 of an epic Amazon Prime unboxing. I used my trusty knife to open up this massive box from Cleveland, Ohio. For safety reasons, I'm gonna shut that. So I'm just gonna redo this whole video. Oh well. So I got this Jackslinks original beef and cheese. This is a bunch of beef jerky. You're going to find that a lot of my stuff in this video is low carb, low sugar stuff, including this beef and cheese. 2 grams of carbs, and that's probably just the cheese. Next up, we've got bold salt and vinegar from Blue Diamond. Each one of these, it's a case of 12. Comes with a Blue Diamond nut thin, saves 75 cents off every one. So I'm going to probably utilize that. We got from Bang Energy Drink, Radical Skedaddle, pretty good flavor. Spoiler alert, I already did a taste test and review of that. A lot of these you're going to find that I do taste test and reviews. If you subscribe to my channel, click my username, London Hawthorne, and in my search bar type in taste test review, type in Bang, type in jerky, type in Quest protein bars. You're going to find that I have a ton of reviews. Next up in this cute little box, we've got from Jackslinks Wild Heat Beef Jerky. I think this might be their hottest jerky yet. If you've had it, let me know what you think. We've got from Quest, I got 2 cases of their s'mores. 22 carbs, minus 14 grams of fiber, minus 4 grams of erythritol, and that equals 4 net carbs. Got this pack from Happy Belly of walnut halves and pieces. Now you can use this for baking or just as a yummy snack. That's, there are carbs, but it's relatively low carb, and there's 2 grams of dietary fiber. So for every for every serving, you can deduct 2 dietary fibers, and that's what I do. I got this case of sugar-free Lifesaver Mint Winto Green. I enjoy, what can I say? I enjoy just having some mints at work. Next up, we got the Jackslinks Jalapeno Carne Seca Beef Jerky. And I had one more. Where did I put it? As I'm looking for this, please subscribe, please share, check out my other videos. Wow. I'm wondering what I did with it. Oh, it fell. Last but not least, we got Emergency 1000 milligram vitamin C Super Orange. This is 60 packets. It's a boost of vitamin C. And then Airheads Gum Watermelon. This is sugar-free. There is sugar alcohol. There are 2 grams of carbs. But this is a way better alternative to get that Airhead fix without the sugar. That's what I do. As always, thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe. Please share. I'm not sponsored by any of the items in here. I'm not sponsored by Amazon, but I would love to be. Holler at your boys. Slide up in my DMs and let me know in the comments below if you want me to sponsor, or if you want to sponsor me. Yeah, let me know. I wish you the best, and get healthy and get happy and in the process of this weight loss journey. And this is some of the tips and tricks that I do. Have a great day.